Well, it's Sunday morning, March 1st, I believe, and 7:30 in the morning, and I'm sloughing around the house with nothing to do, and just wandered out here, and just found some old electrical tape on here, so I took it off, and then I decided, well, heck, I'll pull the air cleaner out of this thing. Let's see what it's like. So I've got the cover off. I had 2 out of 3 matching screws and a third odd one, which I might be able to replace with what they're supposed to have. And I started digging in here trying to get this air filter out. And I figured, I'll get the camera. This is worth shooting. So I'm going to get this thing out of here and let you watch. It's soaked in oil. That's the joy of the 75 bike, feeding the sump breather back into the air cleaner. I don't think this is original. I'm not sure what this is. The original is a sort of a slide-in flat. This is just stuff jammed up in here. Yeah. Well, maybe it was original, I don't know. It's shaped weird, so maybe so. I always pull up, I've seen before a sort of a flat plate air cleaner. What's this? Huh. Let me get on the other side because the oil line's in the way. Yeah, so the oil line's in the way. It's between the carburetors. Oh, hang on it. I think I'm going to have to take this oil line off in order to, well, let's see what happens here. All right. I mean, I could take cutting pliers and cut this thing, but I don't know what I'm getting myself into here. Maybe look down. I don't want to destroy something. Okay. Well, that's about as far down as it goes without getting caught on the starter. It's almost out, I think. Looks like there's another layer of foam rubber in there. Let's see if this will come out of the way. Get the starter out of the way. Let this guy come down farther. And not quite out yet. I'll bet at one time this was a framework with foam on both sides of it. And now you're out. So this was apparently a double-sided single-sided? What's in here? Ah, the other side It's sucked way up into the top of the box. Ooh. Yes, sirree, Bob. Well soaked. All right. What other goodies are in here? All right. I thought I saw another black nightie. I thought there were two of these. Just one apparently. So, that there's the air cleaner. Oil soaked. All right, how about them apples? That'll let it breathe a little better. Now, do I have a replacement? No. I guess I'll order one. It's obviously been changed because I'm pretty sure this isn't original. And the fact that the three screws that held it together are different. So it's been changed, but it's been in there a long time. And being oil soaked doesn't help any. This is the nastiest air cleaner ever invented. Do you know that if you want to take that air cleaner out, there are two ways. One way is to take the carbs and manifolds off, tilt it forward, cut these ears completely off with a hacksaw on both sides, and cut it up into at least 3 pieces, and then you can get it down into this area and get it out. That's one way of getting this air box out. The other way of getting that air box out is remove the rear wheel, the fender, the battery box, and the oil tank, and bring it out the back. And I'm not even sure if that's everything. There might even be more that needs to come off, because I had a client who wanted it out and wanted it saved, and it took me forever to get it out of there. So I don't do that anymore. If somebody's got a 75 and wants to save the air box, they can save it. I'm never doing that job again. I honestly don't remember what else, but I mean, I know it's the oil bottle, battery box, rear wheel, rear fender. Just everything. So anyway, that was interesting for something to do at 7:30 in the morning in my pajamas. So I guess I'm awake enough now that I'll go take a shower and get dressed. So, good morning, everyone.